I'm not sure, but I mean, look at all the divots in that. That did not happen naturally. Somebody fashioned that way.
There's treasures to be found. Let me show you.
Are you a CREEKGEEK?
CREEKGEEK, 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 CREEKGEEK.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. On this adventure I'm just going to be kayaking down the river and stopping at random creeks and looking for relics. Stay tuned. If you like the content, show us some love. Alright.
Alright guys, I'm out doing some exploring this morning. I don't know if you remember a couple of my past videos. I've been talking about the crazy floods we've been having lately. Well, I'm walking up on something here that it literally looks like somebody's boat on the banks of this creek. So we're getting ready to see in just a second here. I'm getting you over there. It looks like a boat. Like, I mean, you look at the creek, it's not that big of a creek. Right there, it's blue. I think that's a boat. Oh wow. Wow, okay, it's fiberglass. And it has been ravaged, unfortunately. Look at that right there. Smashed in. It's a shame. I'll keep looking along. See what else we can find out here. Alright guys, nothing spectacular, but I got the first interesting find of the day. Right? Yeah, I just found the doorknob. Old school doorknob. I just want to keep looking around, see if we can find anything. Alright. That's kind of neat. Check this out. Wasn't sure what I was looking at. Can you figure that out? Can you see that? This, my friends, is an old rusted pair of roller skates. It's kind of neat. Definitely not what I was expecting to find out here. Alright, I'm going to keep on looking. I'm beginning to think you could find anything in a creek at this point. Let's check this out. Can you see what that is? Some kind of crazy saw blade with some weird, I don't know, I've never seen one like that before. But just sitting right in the creek. Alright, I'll get back to you. Alright guys, I got some other strange piece in here. I'm not sure what this is. Like mechanical or something? Yeah, I got no idea. Wait, what the? It's got writing right here. Peterbilt. Peterbilt. You know what that is? Comment down below. Maybe a car part or something? I don't know. Alright, keep looking. Alright guys, I just found something pretty cool I was not expecting to find. Check this out. What do you think that is? Any thoughts? That's an antler. How cool is that? I think it's only the second one I found. Not huge or anything, but still, that's been in the creek for a while, I'd imagine. It's pretty awesome. Alright. Okay, let's check out this big old bone. To give you an idea, here's my hand. Judging by the cut in it, I'm going to say it's probably a cow based upon the size and the cut. Oh, pretty neat. Alright. I got something else interesting here. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's like a hinge or something. Right? It's old, obviously it's been corroded, but that's an old hinge. Yeah, I'll keep on looking around, see if we can find anything else interesting. You gotta really pay attention to where you're walking around here. You might squish somebody. Look at this little guy over here. Here's my finger for reference. He's a little fella. I've seen him smaller, but you gotta watch where you're walking. You might squish somebody. Alright guys, not too sure what I'm looking at here. I thought maybe it was a marble, but it doesn't look round. Could it just be smoothed out slag glass, or is this some kind of cool mineral? I don't know. You can see here, look how green this is. What is that exactly? I don't know. That's pretty neat though. I'm gonna put it in my pocket, and it's now mine. Cool. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm deep up in an old dried creek bed, and there's bits of things all around me, bits of glass and different things like that. And I just spotted this thing here. It looks like a piece of metal sticking up or something. I'm not sure what it is. I'll try and dig it out of there. Oh, that looks like a part of an old spark plug. Alright, keep looking around. I think I found a full little bottle here. Check this out. Don't know what it was for. A cool little bottle though. Huh. Alright, I'll keep looking around. Damn, well, it's broken, but it is super cool. Check this out. The ornate designs on that thing. I'm guessing maybe a salt and pepper shaker sort of deal. I don't know, but it's neat. Alright, I'm gonna keep on looking. Still got a little ways to go. Got a cool little piece of fancy right here and an insulator right next to each other. There's that, and here's my insulator here. It's got a chip here, but otherwise it's intact. Number 36. Made in USA. Lynchburg. Cool, I'm keeping that one. I'll keep looking around, see what we can find. Could be wrong, but I think I just got an intact bottle. Let's see. You can kind of see some blue sticking out from under here. See that? Man, that color is delightful. Design patent. It's like 87401, bottle made in USA. A beautiful color. I wish I had some embossing on it, but either way, it's pretty neat. That's it right there. It's squib. I think it says squib. Cool. There's nothing else under there, right? No, it doesn't look like it. Alright. Check out the colors on this piece of glass I just found. That is psychedelic. Yeah, I'm not sure if this rock is jasper or what, but the designs in this thing are so cool I might just keep it. Isn't that neat? I may have to. That is cool. Alright. Alright, I got a bone here. I don't know what it's to, but it's pretty solid. Pretty solid bone. I just found this in the creek right next to it. Huh. Yeah, I don't know if I want to keep that or not. I don't know what it goes to. It's definitely neat though, and it looks old. So, alright, keep looking around. Alright guys, check this out. This at the very least is a core. Now I suppose it could be used as a tool as well. I'm not sure. But, I mean, look at all the divots in that. That did not happen naturally. Somebody fashioned that way. That is definitely a core. And they knocked off chunks and made tools out of them. That's really neat. I'll put that right there. I'm gonna bring that one home, put it in my garden. There's also...
Hey, thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to show us a little love by subscribing and liking, and I'll see you on the next adventure.
Give us a like, it'll really help out the channel. And if you like the content, go ahead and slap that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Are you a Creek Geek?
Creaky, 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 creaky.